Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the background sound to ocean, rain, or stream on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. In here, scroll down and then tap on Audio and Visual. Next, tap on Background Sounds and then tap on Sound. In here, you can choose Ocean, Rain, or Stream. If you want to turn on the sound, tap on Background Sounds so you can have a listen to it. So you got Ocean, Rain, and Stream. And that's it. After tapping the back key, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now you can also make the changes via the control center as well. So here I can switch it on. I can turn on background sound. I can change the volume and in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching.